use of the PDAF. Pangalawa po, yung paulit-ulit na ginagamit ng legislators yung mga foundations, no?
Ayun.
So hindi lang minsan, hindi lang dalawang beses, pero maraming beses, ano? At pangatlo, yung laki ng pondo na inilalagak nila doon sa mga foundations. Kasi meron kang makikita na 50 million kaagad o 111 million, mga ganun ang nilalagay na pondo. Samantalang yung iba po kasi ay mga may mas maliit pa nga na 1 million, 2 million. So hinuli po namin yon.
Ma'am, how many more senators are we looking into?
I'm not gonna mention now.
Okay, ma'am. Staying with the three and the two other congressmen, would you say, how would you describe the relationship between the senator, the IA, and the NGO? Would you say it's habitual that they give money to the NGO?
Kagaya,
What would you say about those who are saying their signatures are more?
kagaya po ng sinabi ni Attorney Levy, ito pong first batch, base sa mga dokumento at base sa mga kwento ng whistleblowers, ito nga yung mga habitual na series of transactions na. Hindi lang isa, dalawa, tatlo. At paulit-ulit, ginamit yung mga Napoles NGOs na hindi naman nila pwedeng pagkaila na you know, na dapat alam nila yan kung totohanan ng mga NGOs yan or wala.
On the case of the whistleblowers, what steps have the DOJ and NBI taken to ensure protection of the witnesses, and if their affidavits have been submitted, so are you expecting any harassment suits? Are they immune with suits, or how are they already with the
Well, Attorney Levy will answer that, but as to the